Water is life, especially for farmers. It keeps their crops alive and helps them earn a living. Without it, even the most hardworking farmer can make much out of the land. Here in Bacolod City, sugarcane has always been the main crop. But over the years, many farmers have started to diversify, planting rice and high-value vegetables alongside sugarcane. Right now, there are about 350 hectares of rice fields and another 80 to 100 hectares planted with vegetables, according to the city agriculture officer. But even with this progress, one problem remains: water. For farmers like Judy Jinson Sr., who has been tilling the soil for decades, this struggle was all too familiar. Before an irrigation project led by the beverage firm arrived in Purok 16, Barangay Alangilan, life in the fields was difficult. They had no access to steady water, the one thing their crops needed most.
Minsan nagkabaho lang kami ng kung ano-ano, kahit may pangbigay ng bigas, ng kinanglan ng mga estudyante.
Judy, who serves as the president of the Adiawangan Small Farmers Association for the past 9 years, recalls how the situation turned around after the installation of a large gravity flow water tank system, a project of the Coca-Cola Foundation in partnership with the Alternative Indigenous Development Foundation Incorporated, or AIDFI.
So, sa amin katulad ng ampalaya, 2 times a week ang harvest namin. Kasi kaping pa magtig-init, hindi namin pwede dito taniman kasi walang tubig eh. Mamamatay ang aming tanim. Karon kay may tubig na sufisyente, tig-init o tigulan, pwede na kami sa pananim dito.
What started as a group of just 28 members has now grown to 68, as more residents were inspired to return to farming, planting vegetables and other crops that have become their community's main source of livelihood.
Actually, we have criteria for selecting communities, but topmost is the water access that they're deprived of.
Now, the group supplies their produce directly to major grocery chains, with each member following a set schedule for selling their crops.
Salamat gid kami sa Coca-Cola Foundation, subong man sa Alternative Indigenous nga nag-cooperate man pagpatigayon, pagfacilitate nga ining projects nga nag-abot sa amon sa Adiawangan Small Farmers Association sakop sang Barangay Alangilan, siyudad sang Bacolod, nangin mapuslanon o mabinungahon. Nakaraos din ang mga tao dito.
Aside from supporting their crops, the water system also benefits households and provides water for livestock. One of those who experienced its impact is Julie Villarin. She proudly shared that their lives have greatly improved, especially for her 3 children.
Tubig sangkok, sugod pag-abot, daw nagtawhay ang amon pagpangabuhi. Sang magtingadlaw, hindi kami kapananom. Ang amon bakante, puro na tanan, patay ang hilamon. Subong nami na kay nagapamitsay kami, katanom kami katumbal, mga patula. Amo na kadako sang pagbulig sangkok sa amon sa ila tubig.
Like Judy and Julie, Danilo Medina also shared how the water project transformed their lives.
Karami na, bisan tinginit katanom kami. Dayon, karami sa among produkto do, hasta pagkaon namo do, nag-ibar pa.
Now, every week, when they bring their produce to Libertad, the main trading center, or to major retail chains, their earnings never fall below 10,000 pesos per harvest.
Salamat po